Birdwatching enthusiasts, let's dive into the fascinating world of the rarest birds on our planet. First up is the Spixs MAA. Once thought extinct in the wild, it's a vibrant blue parrot native to Brazil, now surviving only through conservation efforts. Next, we have the kakao, a flightless parrot from New Zealand. Known for its unique nocturnal habits and charming personality, with only around 250 individuals left. The California condor, a majestic scavenger, faced near extinction but has made a remarkable comeback thanks to intensive breeding programs. Then there's the forest owlet, a mysterious bird rediscovered in India after being presumed extinct for over a century. Lastly, the Javan hawk eagle, a symbol of Indonesia, is critically endangered due to habitat loss. Each of these birds highlights the urgent need for conservation and the beauty of our planet's biodiversity.